Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. We're going to start with section 1, which is your intro. I've put my hand in position. Here's middle C. You're going to put your pinky on E and your thumb on B. The move here is bottom, top, all right? And this is consistent throughout pretty much the whole song. We'll do it in different ways, but this bottom, top, bottom is pretty consistent. Okay, so for this part, we're going to start with the B on top, then we're going to move the thumb to the C, then to the C sharp, then back to the C. And then we'll repeat it. So this is how it'll go. Bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, and then repeat. That's your left hand. Now in the right hand, we're going to put our hand in the C position. We do have this F sharp here, so we want to put our fourth finger there. The notes in this part of the song, this is actually our position. We'll be putting the third finger on E, a second finger on D sharp, and then we've got our F sharp there with a G on top. The pattern goes middle to top, then we'll go to the second finger and work our way up 3 notes, bum, 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 and then we'll go to the top, back to the second finger. So middle to top, then we'll start that same move on the second finger, bum, 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 and then top finger, second finger. Okay, when we bring the hands together, we're gonna go first, I'll just do it without playing it and just show you. We're gonna go left, together, 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 left, together. And that is the first part, the intro to Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy.